Hey, I got a light, boy. Hey, I got a light. Hey, I got a light, boy.
Okay, so this is Norfolk Boy here, and I'm just making this very small video to either add to one of my larger videos or to just use as a little update on my model building. I've purchased this strange machine here. Now, this is a 3D printer at a very, very cheap price. I think I paid in the end around about £87 for it, which is nothing for a 3D printer. The actual plastic or PLA that I bought, that's the roll on the back, which will probably do a hell of a lot of printouts, cost me around about £18, and a lot of trial and error, a lot of messing around with something I had no idea about, but there is some really good support on a Facebook page of people who own these things, and they will give you all the information you need. But I ain't going to go into that. Basically what I'm going into is I'm actually now, after doing a few test printouts, printing out an outside lavatory for my model railway. Pooper, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to have a campsite, and I've got all the other bits and pieces that I actually bought, which are the tents, etc, and all the other bits and pieces. But this is an outside lavvy that I've decided to print out. I think I've kind of picked the right scale, because by the time it's finished, one of the little people would probably get inside it, hopefully. But anyway, this is just a quick video to show that 3D printers are just unbelievable. I mean, this thing is like a robot, really, and it opens up a whole new area for making models for your model railway layout. I'm sure plenty of people out there, and a matter of fact, I think on the actual TV program they've had on at the moment about is it the Great Railway Challenge? I think they had one episode where somebody was using a 3D printer to knock things out. I can remember seeing that and thought, wow, I'd like to get hold of one of them, but I bet they're expensive. Well, this thing is a really good 3D printer for what it is. It only does small things, as you can see. It's not got a very big workspace area, but this is just ideal, I think, for doing a gauge size. Hang on, I'm not saying more O's than I needed there. O gauge stuff, really, it's just big enough. There's a lot of learning with these things. I mean, you can't just pull them out of the box and print something straight away. But, however, I've spent a couple of days messing about with it, and now this is, the truth be told, when this printout is finished, we'll see exactly what I have. So, I'm going to sign off here for the moment and come back after the edit to show you the end result. Okay, so as promised, after the edit, here it is. This printer, by the way, is a Monoprice Mini Delta, it's called. It's the kind of cheap starter 3D printer that you can buy, and it's quite a highly recommended one. So anybody who's interested in these 3D printers, I will leave a link underneath this video. So, by all means, take a look. And I'll leave as many links as I can to where you can get all the information for them. This was my very first printout on this 3D printer, because it's kind of test print, and as you can see, they print out really good. And over here is my attempt to make a keyring, which didn't come out too bad. AC/DC, I like AC/DC. And here we are, the old-fashioned, been outside for a very long time, printed out outside pooper or lavatory. If I can get zoomed in on that, there you can see the doors open, and if I can just turn it around, you can see it's all supposed to be made out of pieces of wood knocked together. It's been out in the weather for a long time, so with a nice little bit of matte brown paint and a little bit of other different colours, I can make that look like it's been weathered and sitting outside for a very long time. But people will still be using it to go to the pooper or the toilet or whatever you want to call it. If I can zoom in on that, hopefully you can see there is a toilet in there. If I can just zoom in enough, I'm sure you might be able to see that, but still. Yep, so there you go. So I'm really pleased with this. This has opened up a whole new world for designing and creating different kinds of model for my model railway layout. So this is even more fun added to the fun that I'm already having. A bit of an edit there. So yeah, that's it really. All about the 3D printer. Thought I'd add this little video on. So thanks for watching. This is Kev, Norfolk Boy. Keep on a trashing, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Got a load.